here at PCIM in Nuremberg. My name is Michael Brunn. I'm the editor-in-chief of E&E magazine. And during the whole trade show, we will talk with important people from the power electronics industry about topics that are moving the industry right now. And you can watch us here live at the trade show or via YouTube or our Facebook channel. And right now, I would like to welcome Christian André, President, Rohm Europe, and we will talk about the second generation of silicon carbide technology. Welcome, Mr. André.
Thank you.
So, silicon carbide is a fairly new technology. Did it measure up your expectations so far?
Yes, SiC has gained, momentum, and the experience of the customers with SiC is developing. But we still need to promote this technology, and PCIM is the right place for that.
Mm-hmm. So, there is a new second generation. What are the main differences between the first and the second generation of SiC?
Yeah, in the second generation, we have improved the device performance. For example, for the diode silicon carbide, we have reduced our forward voltage, and for the MOSFET, we have reduced the on resistance. But also, we have improved the device fabrication cost, and this has an impact, of course, on the sales price.
Mm-hmm. So, what are the advantages of modules that contain only SiC semiconductors compared to the mixed solutions that are very common in the market?
Yeah, the advantage with the full SiC module is that we can greatly reduce the switching losses compared to the conventional IGBT. For example, if you, for the hybrid solution, means IGBT plus Schottky barrier diode SiC, you can reduce the switching losses from 20 to 40%. And if you replace the IGBT by SiC MOSFET, then you can further reduce from 70 to 80%. So in total, the switching losses reduction will be around almost 90%, I would say, compared to the conventional IGBT module.
So, and what were the greatest challenges to get there to reach these results?
So, well, the IGBT suffers from limitations, which is related to the silicon not device, but material properties. So, for example, limitation in conductivity, low band gap energy, and also the switching frequency limitations. So, with the SiC technology material, you can actually replace greatly the IGBT, let's say, technology.
The body diode is another big challenge. What did you do to get that under control?
Well, we have overcome the challenge of the body diode with intensive, deep understanding of the technology naturally, and intensive data of the device processing. So, for example, from the SiC crystal growth, the surface preparation, and also the AP layer growth, it's a key actually to have a control of the body diode.
What applications are most suitable for the second generation of SiC technology from your point of view?
The SiC fits actually to very large power applications. The early adopters are the solar inverters, PFC in power supply, or high-quality audio applications. But we see as a next step railway, automotive, as well as various industrial power applications.
So, and we just talked about the second generation. What about the third generation? What will the third generation of SiC look like, and when can we expect it?
Well, we have introduced, actually announced last year, the trench SiC MOSFET. We are going to start manufacturing this device at the end of 2013. And the first world trench MOSFET will greatly reduce the on resistance. We expect to cut by more than half the on resistance silicon carbide MOSFET.
There's always been a talk about SiC replacing silicon. Do you think that will ever happen, or is it just two different technologies that will coexist for a period of time?
Yeah, SiC as of today are very much focused on high power and certain application. It will take time for the market to use the SiC largely, but we are confident that SiC fits perfectly to the power applications.
Ladies and gentlemen, this was the Red Couch talk about the second generation of SiC technology live from PCIM trade show. Mr. Andre, thank you very much for being our guest this morning. And thank you very much, everybody, for watching and listening. We wish you a successful trade show. And if you are interested, you can find this and all the other interviews we are having during this trade show on Publish Industries' YouTube channel later on. Thank you very much.